Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set side key to open any app in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first and go to advanced features and go to side key and turn on the button against double press, and by default it is set to quick launch camera, so you have to change it to second option, open app. So you can set any app to be opened. Here I set it to calculator. So when I double press this side key, that is power key, calculator will be directly opened. See here. Calculator is opened. Okay. Just double press quickly. See here. So in this way you can easily set any app to be opened using side key. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.